how you can make your first $500 to $1,000 per day with ClickBank affiliate marketing. You see, in order to make $500 per day, you have to do the simple math, which is, okay, how many sales do I need? Because on ClickBank, you can promote something for $50 or even $1,000 per sale, right? But you have to know, is your audience in low emotional states or high emotional state? And if you're using TikTok ads or Google ads or Facebook ads or even YouTube ads, you have to know exactly which traffic source is the best. And that's why you need someone who can help you one-on-one, hand-holding you along the way, right? And the best thing to do, my friend, as you watch this video right now, if you want to be like me or someone else making thousands of dollars per day with ClickBank affiliate marketing or CPA affiliate marketing, is understanding this. You have to have the right offer, right? Which is proven to work, high quality offer with great upsell take rate. Then you can start generating really great results. And when you have the right ad copy, when you have the right strategy of pre-selling, then you can start generating really great results. You can, because if something is missing on your landing page, 5 points you have to pre-sell in order for someone who see your ad to go into the problem state, and then you move them with your copy to the solution state where they naturally buy a product from ClickBank, right? Most people lose money or don't make money with ads, are afraid to spend money or invest, is because, and again, it's not your fault if this is you watching this video, listening to my voice right now. If it's you, it's not your fault, because I know, I used to be there, I know how it feels. I lost money before. But now in 2025, if you're watching this video, you know that you can make money. You can always make it more. The only thing you cannot get back is time. Money you can always get back. So, the name of the game in 2025 is understanding who's your audience, low emotional states or high emotional state audience, having the right copy. Female and male are different. No gurus talk about this on ClickBank, right? They just give you a course for $4,000, $5,000, and they don't even teach you or show you exactly how to do it with female or males. Because males have different language patterns than females, right? It's different language. Same thing with ad copy, with images. All this matters. And it's easily, you can naturally make $300 a day, which is not a lot of money. For some, maybe yes, but I'm not talking now about millions per month. I'm talking $10,000 per month with ClickBank. You can make it if you have someone who can help you one-on-one, hand-holding you over the Zoom call, show you, do this, do that. And then, of course, you get your first $100 per day. Okay, now duplicate what's working. Next day, next campaign. Usually I start slow, $20 per day, $25 per day. Ad campaign, 2 days running, making $200 back. Great. I spent $50, $50, I made $200 back in a day. Great. Now reinvest, duplicate, right? So that's how, in a nutshell, it works. But of course, there is much more, many things. Now you don't have to learn all this. All this can be done for you and together with you. So you can become marketer and have more time for your family. Like myself, I travel all around the world, 65 countries. You can see on my Instagram, right, on my YouTube. Not to brag, but to show what is possible once you take affiliate marketing very seriously. So if you want to get results, let me know. My WhatsApp number, Instagram, Facebook, always in the description below. Let's connect and let's make something happen in 2025.